Hello everyone, my name is Anna Sharma and I am back with a new topic, tuples. So let's get started. First we'll give the heading, tuples in Python. Okay, and run. Now tuples are like lists, but we represent them using the parentheses, the normal brackets. So first of all, let's learn how to create them. So we'll give the heading, creating tuples. Okay, and run. First we'll make a variable and we will use the parenthesis and store many values like apple, banana, cherry. Okay, cherry, and then we will print a and then print type and a. Okay, so if we run execute this, we have got the type tuple. Now if we do the same here like this, and maybe we will give some values like some integer values 1 2 3 4 like this. So over here we have got our type tuple. Now we will learn how many types of data types can we use to make a tuple. So mixed data types. Okay, over here mixed data types. Okay, now heading and run. Now first we'll make a variable a. Okay, maybe we'll copy the string only. So this is a string, then a variable b, this is integers. Okay, and then c with floating point numbers. Like this, and then d with some complex numbers plus 3j, 4 plus 0j, 8 9 j like this, and then e with boolean values. Okay, now the last one f with all of them like apple, cherry, then some values like this, the integer values, some floating point numbers, some complex numbers, and boolean values. Okay, and now we'll print a, copy this, y a b c d e f. So here f e d c b, and if we want to know the type, so we'll write print type and f, because f has all of them, all of the data types. We execute, we have got our class tuple and we have got our tuples printed. Okay. Now, if we want to make an empty tuple, how can we make an empty tuple? Okay. Now, to make an empty tuple, we will make variable and then leave the parenthesis empty, and then we will print a and then print type of the a. Okay, it's 9 written. It's okay. Now we've got our class, the type tuple, and there is an empty tuple. Now, if you want to make a nested tuple, so nesting means uh, there is there is a thing, and inside there is one more thing, and inside that thing there is one more thing. Like we will take the condition, if condition. There is an if condition, like if, then we have another if in it, and then we have another if in it. Like this is called nesting. Okay, so we have to make nested tuples. The tuples will contain all data types, and it will contain another tuple and then another list. So let's make a, and then I will just copy this tuple, copy, and over here paste. And then I want to add one more tuple in it, apple, and over here banana, and maybe a list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Now if I enter and print a and then print type of a, I'll get tuple. Okay. Now if I want to make a tuple with only one item, so one item tuple, like this I will make. Okay. So now I will just write a variable and then store just one value in the parenthesis, and then if I print a and then want to print type of the a, so I will get over here string, but we want to make an one item tuple. So if I want to give the type as tuple, I have to give a comma also. So the class will change to tuple if there is a comma over here. Okay. Fine. Now we will learn about the tuple constructor. Okay, over here, just constructor. Okay, now if we give the heading. Now to make a tuple, or to convert any other type like list into a tuple, we use the tuple constructor. But to make a normally a tuple, we use this also. Now first we'll make a variable, then write the keyword tuple, and then make a tuple in it like 3, 4, 5, and then print a and then print type of A, I'll get tuple. Even if there is a like this, I'll get tuple. So there is a list over here. There was a list, and if I wanted to convert this list into a tuple, I have used the tuple constructor. Now we'll learn how to do indexing in tuples, yeah, or indexing of tuples. Okay, first we will give the heading and run. Now we will copy the same tuple, copy, and then over here I will make a variable and print, paste it, and then if I want to know the uh, which value is at the index number, maybe 7, I'll execute and I've got the value 6. Now let's count it manually. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. No, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 7. So yes, at the index number 7, the value is 6. Now if I want to just know at -1 position, we'll get the whole list. Okay, not just 6, because this whole list is at the last. Not just 6 is at the last, the list is at the last of that this tuple, the whole tuple. I just copy and paste it here, and even if I write how many they are, if I just write colon one time, so I'll get the whole tuple, because already the computer knows that I have to start from 0 and then end, and I have to end till the I have to print the whole tuple. And if you just do one more thing, if I want index number at 0, so I'll get apple. Okay, so this is how we do the indexing of the tuples, and today we have learned about creating the tuples, mixed data types, empty tuples, nested tuples, one item tuples, tuple constructor, and indexing of tuples. Thank you. Let me get new topics for you.